Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix this Apple ID has not been used with App Store problem. So if this error shows up, what you have to do, check for review option. If a review option appears, tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. The second option is to go to App Store and try downloading any app. This might resolve the issue. Try downloading any app, and if it also does not fix, the third step is to go to settings. Tap on your profile, tap on Apple ID. From here, tap on payment and shipping. From here, tap your password, and if there are no payment or shipping method, what you have to do, just add your payment and shipping method. The fourth option is to sign into music app. Search for music. Now tap on the profile ID. Tap on account settings. Tap on account settings. Now log in using your Apple ID and password. Log in and try again. The fifth option is sign out and sign back in. So go to settings. Tap on your name. Tap on media and purchases. From here, tap on sign out and sign in again. So that's it. These are the steps to fix it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.